What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2017 Cadillac XT5 started if the key fob dies. So like I said, it's a 2017 XT5 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we have our key fob here. As you can see, this key fob's really worn. The buttons are all worn off of it. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So as you can see now, the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message saying no remote key was detected. Place key in transmitter pocket. So that's what we're going to do. And where that transmitter pocket is located is in the center console. So if we look in our center console and we look in the bottom, you can kind of see that little cutout there that's in the same shape of our key. So I'm just going to put the key in that cutout like that. And now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And now you'll be able to drive as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.